Hey everyone, we're back at it again with another video. Today we're diving deep into the world of kidney health and tackling a condition many of you may have heard of, but don't fully understand. Proteinuria is a condition in which there is too much protein in the urine, and a big sign that the kidneys are not working as effectively as they should. We're going to break down the top superfoods that can help combat proteinuria, giving your kidneys the support they need to thrive. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. To keep it running smoothly, you need the right fuel. First up, we've got a true powerhouse in the world of superfoods, blueberries. These little guys are packed with antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage your kidneys. Studies have shown that regularly consuming blueberries can help reduce oxidative stress on your kidneys, which is a major contributing factor to proteinuria. Blueberries are also low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those on a kidney-friendly diet. Add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt, or just grab a handful for a quick and nutritious snack. Next up, we're shining the spotlight on a vibrant veggie that's as delicious as it is nutritious. The red bell pepper. These colorful veggies are low in potassium, a mineral that can be a bit tricky for those with kidney issues. Red bell peppers are a fantastic source of vitamins C and A, both powerful antioxidants that can help protect your kidneys from damage. You can enjoy them raw with hummus, toss them in a stir-fry, add them to your salads, or stuff them with your favorite healthy fillings for a satisfying, kidney-friendly meal. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab some red bell peppers and get creative in the kitchen. Let's talk about cauliflower, the chameleon of the vegetable world. This versatile veggie is a powerhouse of nutrients without putting extra stress on your kidneys. We're talking about essential vitamins like C, K, and B6, along with minerals like folate and fiber, all wrapped up in a low potassium package. Cauliflower is like a blank canvas. You can roast it, steam it, mash it, rice it. The possibilities are endless. The real magic of cauliflower lies in its ability to provide essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys. So, next time you're looking for a versatile and delicious way to support your kidney health, reach for cauliflower. We're turning up the heat with this next superfood, garlic. This pungent ingredient not only adds flavor to your favorite dishes, but also packs a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which boasts incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that allicin can help reduce protein levels in urine, which is a key marker of proteinuria. Garlic is also known to help lower blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining kidney health. You can add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, or simply roast it whole with a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious and aromatic side dish. Let's dive into the world of apples, a fruit often associated with good health for a reason. Not only are they delicious and refreshing, but they also offer some pretty impressive benefits for your kidneys. Apples are rich in a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which has been shown to bind to toxins in the gut and prevent them from being reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Apples are also a good source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. You can eat them whole, slice them into salads, add them to smoothies, or bake them into a healthy dessert. So, how can you enjoy more apples in your daily diet? It's easy. Get ready to drizzle on the goodness because we're about to unlock the power of olive oil. This liquid gold is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its numerous health benefits, including promoting kidney health. Olive oil is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats also play a crucial role in supporting kidney function by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving blood flow to the kidneys. When it comes to choosing olive oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and retains the highest levels of antioxidants. So, start incorporating olive oil into your diet today. Get ready to tear up those taste buds because we're diving into the world of onions, a culinary staple in almost every kitchen. Not only do onions add incredible flavor to countless dishes, but they also pack a surprising punch when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Onions are considered kidney-friendly due to their low potassium content. Onions are also a good source of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to improved kidney function. Quercetin helps fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and protect your kidneys from damage. You can add them to salads, soups, stews, stir-fries, or simply sauté them as a base for your favorite dishes. Get ready to crunch your way to better kidney health because we're about to unlock the power of cabbage. This humble veggie is often overlooked, but it's time to give it the recognition it deserves, especially when it comes to supporting those kidneys. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, a family of veggies known for their impressive health benefits. Cabbage is a good source of vitamins C and K, both of which play important roles in maintaining overall health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, while vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. So, how can you incorporate more cabbage into your diet? Get creative and enjoy. It's time to dive into the world of fish, a nutritional powerhouse that's about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Fish is not only a delicious and versatile ingredient that can be prepared in countless ways, but it also offers some incredible health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. Whether you enjoy it grilled, baked, steamed, or even raw as sushi, incorporating fish into your diet can be a game changer for your overall well-being. One of the key reasons fish is so beneficial for kidney health is high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions, but our bodies can't produce them on their own, and fish is one of the best sources available. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys as well as other parts of the body. In addition to fish, there are other foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids that you can include in your diet. These include flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and certain types of algae. However, fish remains one of the most potent sources, and it's often easier for our bodies to absorb and utilize the omega-3 from fish compared to plant-based sources. Omega-3 fatty acids play a significant role in maintaining cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow, all of which are essential for keeping those kidneys functioning optimally. By reducing inflammation, the omega-3 can help prevent damage to the blood vessels in the kidneys, which is crucial for preventing kidney disease and maintaining overall kidney function. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids tend to have a lower risk of developing kidney disease. This is particularly important for individuals who are at higher risk of kidney problems, such as those with diabetes or high blood pressure. By incorporating more omega-3 foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps to protect your kidney health and reduce your risk of developing chronic kidney disease. When it comes to choosing fish for optimal kidney health, fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are your best bet. These types of fish are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent choice for supporting kidney function. When preparing fish, try to use cooking methods that preserve the nutritional content such as grilling, baking, or steaming. Avoid deep frying, as this can add unhealthy fats and reduce the overall health benefits of the fish. Incorporating fish into your family's diet can be a fun and enjoyable experience. Try introducing new recipes and cooking methods to keep things interesting. For example, you can make fish tacos, fish stews, or even fish-based pasta dishes. Getting children involved in the cooking process can also help them develop a taste for fish and other healthy foods. By making fish a regular part of your meals, you can ensure that your family is getting the essential nutrients they need for optimal health. It's also important to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual health needs and help you create a balanced diet plan that supports your kidney health. Regular checkups and monitoring are essential for catching any potential issues early and ensuring that your kidneys remain healthy. By incorporating more fish into your diet, you can take advantage of the numerous health benefits these essential fats offer. From reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure to improving blood flow and reducing the risk of kidney disease, omega-3 fatty acids are a powerful tool for maintaining optimal kidney function. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider adding some delicious and nutritious fish to the menu. Get ready to go green for your kidneys because we're about to unlock the power of leafy greens. These veggies are often praised for their numerous health benefits, and they truly shine when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and collard greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. They're naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those following a kidney-friendly diet. One of the reasons leafy greens are so beneficial for your kidneys is their high antioxidant content. So, load up on these greens and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Get ready to pop some deliciousness because we're about to unlock the power of cherries. These vibrant fruits are not only a sweet and satisfying treat, but also pack a surprising punch when it comes to supporting your kidneys. Cherries are a rich source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Cherries are particularly high in a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which give them their beautiful red color and have anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or oatmeal for a nutritious and delicious breakfast or snack. Your kidneys will thank you. So there you have it, fam. We've explored 11 incredible superfoods that can help combat proteinuria and give your kidneys the love they deserve. From the antioxidant power of blueberries and the potassium balancing magic of red bell peppers to the omega richness of fish and the anti-inflammatory benefits of cherries, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a world of difference. Start by eating 1 or 2 of these superfoods every day and see how you feel. Did I miss something? Drop it in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond. Share this video around and don't forget to subscribe.